Since my last post, I spoke to my grandparents' black cat Pew Pew Madafakas Halloween shirt and told them everything. I asked if I could stay with them if I wanted to and they agreed. I then spoke to my dad again and tried to tell him how I felt and what I had heard. I didn't want to film more. Black cat Pew Pew Madafakas Halloween shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. He looked shocked but didn't say anything. You know, black cat Pew Pew Madafakas Halloween shirt, I think I've cracked this with one of my cats. He refuses to eat crumbs. If there are only 4 whole pieces of food in his dish and the rest are crumbs, he will cry like he has no food. Yeah, mine does too. She's a vocal little activist. Today's injustice was my husband's unwillingness to see reason and share a Franz old-fashioned donut with her, on the grounds that she is a cat. She was furious and ended up resorting to crime, barely managing to steal a little nibble before I stopped her. Other products.